Hi friends. Many times I have received a request from my customers that they want to send group of mail. That is a mass mailing from the Zoho CRM. Now, how can you do that? See, there are two ways of doing the mass mailing. But many times, what happens when you have got a lot many recipients of the mail. Let us in your database, you have got a 10,000 records and you want to send the same email to all 10,000 people from the CRM. You cannot send a 10,000 email at one go because it depends on an edition, what you are using it. There is a limitation. Let's say in the Zoho standard, you can send only the 250 emails. While the Zoho professional, you can send 500 emails in a day. While in the Zoho enterprise or the Zoho one, you can send 1,000 email per day. But now the problem is, every day, if you are sending 1,000 emails, how can you identify the next day that which are the 1,000 emails you have sent in and only the remaining 9,000 should come in the list? We are going to discuss this problem here, and I will going to show you the solution for this. Well, I am Chetan Kapadia from Regal InfoNet. I am Zoho CRM and the sales automation experts and serving more than 800 plus customers across India and the globe. Now let's dive into it. I will share my screen. Listen, you have got around 5,000 records in your database. Now let us see if you want to send all 5,000 at one go. It is not possible. So every day you can send only 1,000. But the next day when you go to these leads, it should not mix up. It should not send the email to the same people which you have sent yesterday. So for that, there is a facility of the macros in the Zoho CRM. So we will try to create this macro. Now, in order to create a macro, there is some changes you require to do in your Zoho CRM. Now, what is that changes? Let us say I will create one field that is a mail which I want to send it. So what I will do, I will go to the edit, go to page layout. Let's say I'm adding one field at, let's say I'm adding it somewhere here. Name of the field I'm writing, it's mail sent. Okay. Save it. Now go back to the lead again module. Let's say I select one record because I want to create first macro. So what I will do, I will select one without selecting, you will not get the option of macro. So you select at least one record over here. Click on this run macro. Don't click on run macro. Actually click on this small drop down and down there is a manage macro. Just click here. Let's say I want to create one macro. Let's say particular mail campaign I'm doing it. And this mail campaign can be, let us say, Zoho. I'm giving some name, Zoho CRM offer. This is the offer I'm creating. Just copying, pasting the description will help you to explain what is this product about or what is this offer about. Let's say I will create one template. Let us say you have got a one template. You can choose one of the template. Let us say I'm offering, let me check whether I have got some. Maybe let us say this offer, I want to set it. From which email you can select your email, or maybe whichever the mail you want to select it. The reply to also should be the same. Okay. Don't forget to change this from none to any, otherwise you will not receive reply. So select it. Now this is where the key is. Now the field which I have created, email sent, I will select it over here. We'll find out. There are so many fields I have created. Takes time to search it. Come on, it. I think I have to go slow. Then only I'll be able to find out, because there are so many fields I have created. Mail sent. And mail sent, I will write same Zoho CRM offer. So likewise, I created a macro. That means what this macro will do. See, macro will send an email to the selected recipient. At the same time, in the same record, it will start updating in this field the Zoho CRM offer. So that what actually it is doing, I'm setting a flag into it. By this email has been sent. Okay. Now let us say, now this is the macro I have created. Now let us say, when I send, let us say out of this 5,200, I select maybe the 100. In Zoho CRM, at a time, you can select only the 100 records. If you don't see 100, first of all, change your settings from 10, because many times by default, the Zoho setting is 10 record per page. So change it to 100. Okay. Once it is 100, select. So at a time, it will select the 100. So likewise, you can select the 500 records. Click on the next. Select another 100. Click on the next. Select another 100. So likewise, you can select around the maximum 500 records at one point of time. Okay. Now click on this run macro and select just now I have created the macro. I will select that. What is the macro name? Zoho CRM offer. So when I click on it, it will send this email to all the recipients which I have chosen. Now tomorrow when I start my new emailing, what should I? First of all, I want to remove those, the 500 which I have already sent it. So for that, what I will do, I will select mail sent containing actually is empty. Because every time I send an email, I am writing that, the Zoho CRM offer. So I want to remove that. So that is the reason. What the condition I'm checking, mail sent is empty. It should be empty. Or maybe other way, you can just select like this, is not Zoho CRM offer. And click on apply filter. And because every time you don't want to do and waste your time, so click on a save offer, save filter, sorry, and give the same name so that you will remember it. This filter you have made it for the Zoho CRM offer. So the next day morning, when you just start your mail campaign, you don't have to do all these things. Just click on it. So it will list out only those records to whom you have not sent it. And once you send it, it will automatically update the record with the Zoho CRM offer so that it will automatically remove from the list. So this is how you can send a mass mailing in the Zoho CRM. I hope you have understood If still not understood, or if you need some tips of any other features of the Zoho CRM, you can write in the comment. Thank you very much.